Guess what I forgot? My face mask. $7 o'clock, actually 7:10. Got the bike in the back. You can see, also see my face is dirty. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to clean this off before I go, but hell with it. Heading to the woods, that's all that matters. Decided to pack the old 20 gauge today. Single shot New England. Good news. There's a bird over here on this piece of public that has finally answered my call. I'm running out of time. I'm tired. I need to go home and go to sleep. But landowner's gonna let me use this creek to access this piece over here. If not, it'd be a long walk around, and I just ain't feeling it today. So, fixing to go give it a shot. He told me to park down at the other end of the pasture and get in the creek. Don't walk the pasture, walk in the creek. 10-4, bud. Thank you. I'm honestly in one of those moods where I just want to get it over with and either scare him or kill him. I'm so tired. I want to go to bed. But I want to kill this turkey, or I want to kill a turkey so bad. Just hope we don't get too deep to kill him, or too deep to cross the creek. Wait a minute. There's fresh gobbler tracks back here in the creek. I'm gonna check him here in a minute. I just don't want to bump him. But he's gonna be within 200 yards. I guess I might use up here and sit down for about 10-15 minutes. Oh, that's open. He just gobbled somewhere. Move up a little bit. Let's play a game called Guess What I Forgot? My face mask. So you might be wondering, different shirt, he has a face mask going, what's going on? It's the next day, and I've started to edit this hunt late last night, and turns out, in a state of exhaustion, that I deleted the clip of me getting my phone out when I was up close to the bird when I got a hold of him. So what you see is what you get. Another low quality video by none other than me. Anyways, sorry. And I stopped over here right beside the road and got out and listened to this land to access it, and he said just today. He says, as a matter of fact, one of my buddies might be coming to hunt later on, so I need you out of here by noon. I said, no problem. So ran in here, made a couple moves on this bird, had two jakes come in right in front of me. I can't believe they didn't bust me. Forgot my freaking face mask in the truck, and made it work. I just remember him sticking his head up. I almost pulled the trigger. I was like, slow down. Settled the bead, pulled the trigger, and he flopped. And of course I took off running, and my GoPro fell off my gun, and I grabbed him around the neck, as you can see. And he's ugly, but it's a bird. Anyways, I'm pretty tickled to finally get a bird, and maybe now my luck will start changing. Who knows? Main thing, man, I don't have a lot to say with this bird. I just, I don't know, I'm just overwhelmed with emotions of how tough it's been. And it's kind of sad the way that I've been feeling about this, because, you know, there's some people that don't even have hardly an opportunity to go turkey hunting, yet alone, you know, as much opportunity as I have. Very fortunate with my jobs that I've had in the past years that I have time to get out and chase these birds, and I've got time to take people, and I've got time to scout. And you know, I've averaged 7 or 8 turkeys the last 3 years between Tennessee, Alabama, Kentucky, Indiana, Kansas, Nebraska. And here it is, May 3rd, and I just shot my very first bird of the year. And it's almost, I mean, there ain't no almost to it. It's humbling. You know, it's about as humbling as it gets, especially after the misses. It's been a rough year between just some stuff going on in life, personal stuff, job stress, and honest to God, I feel the pressure. I feel pressured to kill birds. I feel like people, my buddies are like, hey, when you gonna kill a bird? You know, what's going on? What's wrong with you? I don't know. I've just been in a funk this year. And this right here is just, I don't know. I feel the weight lifted off my back. I feel like I can finally breathe. This is actually the first time since 2001, the very first year I started turkey hunting, that I made it all the way through April without a bird. And here we are, May 3rd. First bird of the year. He's a pretty one. He's a little messed up on his neck. He got some bad beard rot. Done ripped half his feathers off grabbing him around the neck. I told myself, when I get my hands around one's neck, I'm gonna hold tight. God, man. I would say it's all worth it, all the pain and suffering of this season, but it ain't. I want those shot opportunities back. Anyways, I'm gonna get this bird clean, and I'm going home and I'm going to bed. I am one tired turkey hunter. Work again at 7 tonight.